Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV's most amazing news for our viewers. Human brains. The human brains adaptability to internal and external changes known as neural plasticity forms the foundation for understanding cognitive functions like memory and learning as well as various neurological disorders. Research conducted by a team led by Dr. Park Chu-min of the Center of Cognition and Sociality within the Institute for Basic Science unveils a novel techniques that could transform the treatment landscapes for brain disorders. The work has been published in Science Advances. The team developed a non-invasive brain stimulation method called pattern low intensity low frequency ultrasounds, which holds tremendous potential for inducing long-lasting changes in brain function. Traditionally, magnetic and electrical brain stimulation methods have been used to modulate brain functions. However, these methods come with inherent limitations that restrict their spatial resolution and penetration depth, making it challenging to precisely stimulate specific brain regions with optimal efficacy. Invasive methods such as those that require surgical procedures exhibit superior control and therapeutic effects for specific deep brain stimulation, but they come with risks such as tissue damages, inflammation, and infection. These limitations have fueled the search for alternative approaches that can overcome these constraints and provide more efficient and precise modulation of brain function. This study unveiled by the IBS researchers used ultrasound to enable precise stimulation of specific brain areas. Unlike electromagnetic waves, ultrasound has the advantage of being able to penetrate deep into the brain tissues. The researchers discovered that ultrasound stimulation can modulate neural plasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself through the activation of key molecular pathways. Specifically, the study pinpointed the ultrasound's effect of insensitive calcium channels astrocytes, which controls the cell's ability to uptake calcium and release neurotransmitters. FUS was designed based on specific ultrasound parameters that mimic the brainwave patterns of theta 5 Hz and gamma 30 Hz oscillation observed during learning and memory processes. The new tool allowed the researchers to either activate or deactivate specific brain regions. All intermittent delivery of the ultrasound was found to induce long-term potential effects, while continuous patterns resulted in long-term depression effects. One of the most promising aspects of this new technology is ability to facilitate the acquisition of new motor skills. When the researchers delivered ultrasound stimulation to the cerebral motor cortex in mice, they observed significant improvements in motor skill learning and the ability to retrieve food. Bien the report, Glory Globe TV Delhi, Bharat.